Today we're here for our next installment of the Stinky Garlic Cocktail Contest. We're here at Porter's Pub where we're going to have another cocktail made for us. And remember, if this is the cocktail that you think is the best, vote for it on the YouTube channel. Let's go in and see what they have for us. So we're here with our next installment of our Stinky Garlic Cocktail Contest. We're at Porter's Pub with Chloe, the extraordinary bartender, who's going to create a cocktail for you.
Hi, good morning. I'm gonna make our famous smoked garlic Bloody Mary. I'm gonna start off here with a little bit of our smoked garlic Bloody Mary mash. We do make it in-house with smoked garlic and a blend of other ingredients. I'm gonna add a little bit of Rausch beer. It really brings out the smokiness. Top off with a little bit of citrus vodka. Fun fact, did you know that Porter's Pub was actually the first restaurant in Easton to introduce Bloody Marys to the Garlic Fest? Give it a good shake. So here's the best tasting Bloody Mary in Easton.
And now here's the best looking one.
Joe, would you like to try?
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I don't know what's more amazing, the garnish or the Bloody Mary. Let me give it a try and see. Paper up there. Ah, always so good. This is delicious. Thank you so much.